LTC, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if you refer to one analysis in my last video, we mentioned if we get any correction, we can look for buy, and now we're looking at this. We want to see how we can look for trade. Okay, anyway, we start with higher time frame, we start with daily chart. And if we move to daily chart, the only thing is we're looking for the reversal. But before we get the reversal, can we expect to get a bigger consolidation similar to any of this? Okay, that's why if we want to look for trade, we need to have a, we need to be aware of this, because maybe the trade we take is not the one is going to kind of reverse and break, retest the previous stop. Okay, and the only thing is we should have a proper management. And if we move to forward chart, as we mentioned, based on 1 hour chart, we're looking for the correction here. We're looking for buy, but we need to be aware of the big consolidation here, as I explained based on daily chart. Okay, one of the things is made this one give us one more drop. We need to be aware of this. Even there is a possibility the price continue to move a bit higher, then drop. That means we get a bigger consolidation. Anyway, we don't need to explain about all the possibility. The only thing is maybe we need to be aware of this, and even there is a possibility the price tag we get a bigger flat. Okay, and the only things again I mentioned all this possibility. These two possibilities that if we're looking for buy, we're looking for the sharp move. If we get the trade, but we see it's not moving, it start to correct. This is how we need to be aware of that. Anyway, based on 1 hour chart now, as I mentioned, we're looking at this. Any trade from here, we will take it. And with the breakout of this top, we start to manage. Okay, and having entry above this also can be an option. We prefer to put above this one. And what we're looking for the, if we get a sharp move. Okay, we're looking for if we get the price sharply reverse from here, we can have entry above this. And what we want the price break and continue the price tag within 1 or 2 hours. Is not moving, we should take out the trade. Okay, can we expect this one is give us based on lower time frame we get a correction for the price to drop? Yes, even if we can expect this one continue and retest this low, because we can put these two in relative to each other. That's why we need, if he wants to look for buy, we need to get the trade set up. And even we need to know if we get any trade set up. We mentioned with the breakout of this, we start to manage. We're looking for the, we're looking, maybe we say we're looking for the sharp move. But if we get any trade is turned to a corrective move, still we need to be aware of this. What I mentioned based on the forward chart, that this one can tend to a more bigger consolidation. That's why any trade from here, what we want the price break the previous stop and continue. Okay. Anyway, if we want to look for buy, right now we're looking at this, and the stop loss can be below this. If we get any trade set up and we just follow the chart, we see if we get a trade, then we see how it can move and how we should manage it. Anyway, if I see any update, I will share. Thanks.